Guys, welcome back to another video. So, who is ready to see what is behind door number 3? What do you think it is? It looks like a nail file shape, but I also thought that when I saw these ones, and I got them wrong, didn't I? So let's see, shall we? I think I'm right. Yes, I am. How cute is that, guys? That is the prettiest nail file I have ever seen. So it says Mylee on that side, and then it's all Christmassy on that side. I love that. I would say that is probably a 240 and a 180 grit. Love that. So that's what was behind door number 3. A super duper pretty nail file. I really hope you enjoyed this one, guys. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.